Hey there, Donna at Handmade Tiling coming at you with a quick video on how to press DTF transfers onto the Westford Midi tote bags. I've had quite a few messages about this. Apparently it's difficult, but it really isn't, so let me show you how. Okay, so we're over at the heat press now and we are going to press our DTF transfer onto our tote bag. Now I use a platen specifically for my tote bags. Now I use the Fusion IQ from Hotronix. It is a fantastic heat press, but not everybody has one, I understand that. But this one I think is fantastic because it has the interchangeable platens. Now, I bought this myself, this has absolutely nothing to do with Stahls, this is just my personal preference. So, pop it onto the platen, and you're going to give it a first press. Now the first press is quite important because this allows you to remove any moisture from the bag. Now you want to get quite firm pressure. Now I'm sitting about a 7 at the moment. Okay, first press done. We'll open it back up again. Now as you can see, we have nothing on here yet. Now just do a quick refluff, make sure that there's nothing on your tote bag. Okay, so here is one of our DTF transfers, one of our little coups. And we're going to pop this onto the tote bag today. So what you want to do is you want to position obviously your transfer onto your bag, specifically where you want it. So again, for me, nice in the middle, even spaces between either side. Now the first thing you're going to do is cover up your transfer, shove it back into the press and in for 15 seconds. Okay, that's the first press done. So bring it out. Now I like to use this on my DTF transfers. Now this is a silicone roller. I used to use it for vinyl, don't use it for anything else now, so I found a use for it. And what I like to do is to just roll this along the transfer. Now what this does is nothing other than push the graphic into the fabric, and as you can see it's actually already lifting as I push it. So with a nice tug, because this is a hot peel, we just pull it straight off. And there we are, it's on to the tote bag. So again, you can't do any harm to your tote bag running this along it. It's not going to hurt it, it's not going to crease it, it's not going to ruin it. So next I do a second press. Now the second press I do with a thing called T-seal. Now I think T-seal is absolutely fantastic. It's a kind of siliconized paper. As you can see, I've used it like 100 times. I think it's rated up to about 50 uses, but I think I'm well and truly over that now. So we pop that over the top of the transfer, covers the bag nicely, and in we go again, and that's another 15 seconds in the heat press at medium to high pressure. And that's us done. So we remove the T-seal. And again, just a quick, and all this does for me is just make sure that it is entirely pushed into the fabric. So that's it. Westford Jute Midi bags, all pressed with a DTF transfer, ready to go out the door. See you later.